I could get used to this. Ang ganda. So this is the 2-bedroom unit dito sa The Observatory Sora, dito sa Pioneer Mandaluyong. Let me show you. Yan. Let me go outside first. 26,069 square meter. Let me go ahead and show you the inside. Uy, syempre, Japanese. Merong shoe rack, matic yan. And, oops. Ito yung kitchen. Center kitchen. Nice. So, meron din ditong washing machine. Siyempre, your dining and your living area. Dito ako kanina eh. I feel at home agad eh. Ganda. Siyempre, the view. May view dyan. Siyempre, unit to wala akong makikita ngayon. So, ang ganda rin. No? Ang ganda ng effect ng may salamin. Mas lalo lumaki. So, you can do it also. Let's go here. 2 bedrooms. First one for your son or daughter. This is the concept. You have the cabinet. And toilet. Galing, galing. Siyempre, the bedroom. Siyempre, kailangan subukan natin yung bedroom. Ang ganda, may study there. But I think you can have your own setup. Pero testingin natin yung bedroom. Kung masarap ba? This feels like home. Biling ko ba to? Okay. And by the way, the toilet pala. Toilet is here. Shower. So yeah, guys, you've seen it. And if you want to see it personally, you know what to do. Give me a call. Pau Salud, 0917-681-8692. Tara, pasyal tayo dito. Actually, kahit anong unit sa kahit anong area, you can call me if you're interested in investing or looking for your first condo or house and lot. I am your guy. Send me a message.